in listen-only mode.
Well, good morning, everyone. It's 11 a.m. and we're going to go ahead and we'll get started with the weekly impact weather briefing for Central North Carolina, covering the period September 19th through September 25th. Before we jump ahead, I'd like to show everyone the latest radars. We actually have a pretty heavy rainfall band moving through Central North Carolina. This morning it started out over the western Piedmont, and it's currently moving into the Triangle. Along that band, and it's a very slow moving band with training cells along it, we're seeing as much as 1.5 to 2 inches of rainfall during about a 1 to 2 hour period. We expect that rain band to continue to move eastward through the remainder of the late morning and into the afternoon hours. The thing that's kind of cool about this picture is you can kind of see we actually have a combination of a surface front coming in from the northwest that's accompanying a amplifying trough from the west. We also continue to have remnants of Julia down to our southeast, and what Julia is doing is just helping to feed that Atlantic moisture into the area. You can see that with the cells that the showers that are coming onshore across eastern North Carolina. So the combination of all of those events and features are going to help to produce heavy rainfall today and the next couple of days. So now we'll go back to the presentation. And speaking of heavy rainfall, this is the pattern for the next couple of days. Notice the green that's centered pretty much over the southeastern and mid-Atlantic coast, where we're expecting numerous showers and some thunderstorms over the next couple of days. By the weekend, if you look down to that chart in the lower right, you can see a front. We're expecting a front to move through possibly late Sunday night, which will bring a cooler trend for next week. Looking ahead, we're not really expecting a real major severe threat as far as severe winds, hail, or tornadoes, but we do expect that we could see some flooding. And that's what you can see here as you look at the 7-day total, and central and eastern portions of the state could see as much as 3 to 6 inches of rainfall. And we expect the bulk of that to fall over the next couple of days. So basically Monday, Tuesday, and possibly extending into Wednesday. And that's not necessarily a really bad thing because, as many of you guys know, we've been seeing a recent dry spell, and that dry spell has led to strengthening drought conditions. For central North Carolina, we're still kind of abnormally dry, but we're very close to getting into moderate drought conditions. As you can currently see, those people living in the western part of the state, some places have as much as a severe drought. Looking ahead for the 8 to 14-day temperature and precipitation outlook, this rain and these widespread clouds will keep temperatures down this week. But if you look ahead to next week, we're expecting temperatures to go back to above normal. So basically what we've seen pretty much for all of September. And as far as rain chances, not a real strong signal, but it looks like for the most part, we'll probably be near normal as far as rainfall. So in summary, unsettled weather for at least through midweek with above average showers and storms. The main threat will be locally heavy rain and some localized flooding, especially across northern portions of the coastal plain and Piedmont counties. The rain and the clouds will keep it cooler, so we don't expect to see temperatures in the upper 80s or close to 90, but instead we'll see them very close to normal in the upper 70s to lower 80s. By Friday and maybe even Thursday, we should see decreasing rain chances as that upper low that's over the area weakens. And as our rain chances increase, our temperatures will go back up. And right now we expect the warmest day to be Saturday, and that's going to be out ahead of that cold front. We can see temperatures as warm as upper 80s on Saturday. And then on Sunday, we expect the cold front to come through. That'll bring the next chance for rain, and that'll also bring a cooler start for next week. Well, that pretty much sums it up. If there's any questions, we'll take that now.